They sent me this. Their handle. Hi guys, good morning. I hope you guys are good. So I'm working with this brand, and the brand's name is Dudan. This is a mixture of chocolate peanut spread. I have not tried it. It looks so yummy. I've not opened it. They were kind enough to send me um this, and you guys tried peanut butter. I've tried peanut butter in from other brands. I've not tried from this brand, and I hope it's really be nice and yummy because my daughter likes peanut butter. She likes peanut butter a lot. And yeah, so this is their peanut butter, crunchy. I like to have that crunchy in fat whenever I'm eating having my peanut butter. I always liked that crunchy in fat in it. So this you can eat it with bread. Oh wow, you can add it to your cake, cupcake toppings, banana, avocado and salad dressing. So you can use it for that. You can use this for all of this I just mentioned. I'm about to show you guys. It's really interesting because I've eaten cashew nuts, cashew candy. I didn't know you could make it into a butter. Like, when I saw this, I'm like, I need to go for this. I need to have this. So they sent this one as well. They sent me this, and yeah, definitely try this out. They sent this as well. This one is, I know I've eaten this one before from the local vendors, but I've not had it in this kind of packaging. Like, it is so beautiful, guys. Can you see that? It really looks like, it really looks nice. Like, the packaging is so nice. I love it. And the color green, I love it. This is them. This is them on Instagram. So that's their handle, Dudan Foods.